Okay, good morning students. Today again we are going to complete our Thieves story chapter. As in the previous video we have left this one last part of this our chapter. Until then we have read about this chapter, the Thieves story. The title is given by the writer only because here the main character of our story is a thief who is telling you his life story. That's why he was given as a I. He said that I was still a thief when I meet Anil. He was still a thief, but now his life has been changed. After meeting with Anil, his life has changed. He said that when I meet with Anil, he was just 15 years old, but in his line of thievery, he was a successful man. And when he meet Anil, Anil was watching a wrestling match. He was a 25-year-old, lean and thin fellow. To win the confidence of Anil, that boy who told his name as Hari Singh start flattering with Anil. And when Anil asked him, "Can you cook the food?" he simply said, "Yes, I can cook the food." The condition for the employment was that he will cook the food for Anil. But when Hari Singh made the food for Anil, that was terrible. Anil gave all the food to the stray dogs. But here is the quality of Anil, that he know that Hari Singh is not able to make the food items. He cannot cook. But he was not angry with Hari. He was not angry with the Hari that he has lied with Anil. Instead of that, he patted him and told that I will teach you how to cook, and also I will teach you how to read and write. Now this was for the first time in the life of Hari Singh that someone had met him who is going to give him education. Hari Singh realized this, that if he become an educated man, what can he do in his life? He said that if I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. He himself said that if I become an educated man, then there will be no limit for me. I can achieve a lot of things I can achieve. So he start working with Anil. And he said that, Hari Singh said that working with Anil was a pleasant thing, because Anil was such a jolly natured man. He said that he earned money by fits and starts, means he has no regular income, but whenever he found money, he celebrates. He celebrates with his friends, he celebrates with Hari Singh. He was such a kind of person. Hari Singh said that I have not done a kind of thievery in this 1 month, but at the last we found that Anil came with a bundle of notes. For the first time in the last 1 month, Hari Singh saw such a huge amount of money in that house. Now he started thinking that I have not done any of my kind work for last 1 month. This is a chance for me. Anil has kept all that money under the mattress. He know that. Hari Singh know that. Now he plan for that, how he will run away from this place. He planned that at 10:30 p.m. he can catch the Lucknow Express. He can go to the Lucknow. Nobody can find him in that huge city of Lucknow. With that money, he can live like a rich man. So he made all the plans, and in the night he steal that money, put it in his waist place and run away from the house. From here we are going to read today. When I was on the road, I began to run. I had the notes at my waist, held there by the string of my pajamas. He steal that money, he take that money from the mattress and came out of the house. When he reaches at the road, he start running because he was in hurry to reach at the platform. So he start running. Well, I slowed down to a walk and counted the notes. 600 rupees in 50s. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. When he go far from the house, he slowed down. Means he slow his running and count that note. That was 600 rupees. 600 rupees at that time when the story was written or the story was told was a huge amount. With that money, he can live like a rich man for 1 or 2 weeks. Now he had such a huge amount of money. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office because he was not interested in the ticket. He was not going to take the ticket. He dashed straight to the platform. Dashed means run very fast. He ran very fast straight to the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train had still to pick up speed and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages. When he reached there, when he reached at the platform, he found that the Lucknow Express, the train to the Lucknow, was just started. It has not taken the speed. He can easily jump in one of his bogies. He can ride on one of his bogies. But the main thing is, but I hesitated. For some reason, I can't explain. He can easily jump into one of the bogies, but he hesitates. He cannot do that. Why he cannot do that? For some reason, I can't explain. Why he cannot do that? He can easily jump into the bogie, but he don't. Why? Even Hari Singh cannot explain the reason. And I lost the chance to get away. Why he not jump inside the carriage? Something happened in his heart that stopped him from running away from that place. And what was that? He was a thief. He was having the money. He had the chance to run away. Then what thing stopped him? So go ahead. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. Here, deserted word means a place where there is nobody. जहाँ पर कोई रहता नहीं है. Train had gone, all the passengers and the family members had gone away from the platform. He was standing alone in that platform. I had no idea where to spend the night. Now he has no idea where to go. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help, and I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small stations near that station. Now the problem is that where to spend the night? He has no friend in that city because he believed that friends are troubles. He make no friendship with anyone. And the second option was he can go to a hotel. But going to the hotel is also a dangerous thing. The only person I knew really was the man I had robbed. Now the only person in that city whom he knew was Anil. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the market. In my short career as a thief, I had made study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. Now this is a psychological thing. He said that when the man lost their items, when somebody lost his item, there are a different kind of expressions in the men's. Like the greedy man showed fear. जो लालची आदमी होता है उसको डर लगता है. डर किस चीज का? कि आज एक ये पेन गायब हुआ है, कल दूसरा भी हो सकता है. तो और ज्यादा सोचने लग जाता है, और ज्यादा चीजों को सुरक्षित रखने लग जाता है. द रिच मैन शोड एंगर. जो उसके पास बहुत पैसा है ना, एक पेन गायब होने से कुछ नहीं, बस गुस्सा दिखाएगा, पता नहीं कौन चुरा ले गया, चलो दूसरी खरीद लेंगे. द पुअर मैन शोड एक्सेप्टेंस. जो गरीब आदमी है बेचारा, वो क्या सोचता है, चलो चली गई, भगवान की यही इच्छा थी. वो एक्सेप्टेंस करता है, अपनी गलती एक्सेप्ट करता है, मेरी गलती थी, इसके कारण से चोरी हो गई. बट I know that Anil's face when he discovered the theft would show only a touch of sadness. But as far as I know Anil, he will not show such kind of feelings. No fear, no anger, no acceptance. When he discover in the morning, when he will discover that money had been theft, he will not show such kind of things. He will show only a kind of sadness. Sadness for what? Not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. He will show the sadness not for the money, that my money had gone. He will show the sadness. दुखी होगा बेचारा, किस चीज के लिए? पैसे के लिए नहीं दुखी होगा. दुखी होगा किस लिए? कि मैंने हरि सिंह पे इतना विश्वास किया, इतना ट्रस्ट किया, एंड ही बिट्रे मी. उसने मुझे धोखा दे दिया. He will be sad for the loss of trust. उसका जो धोखा मैंने तोड़ा ना, उसके लिए दुखी होगा. I found myself in a मैदान, sat down on a bench. The night was chilly. It was early November and a little drizzle added to my discomfort. I was thinking all those things, and in thought I crossed that bazaar, that market, and I come to a open place. There was a bench. I sat on that bench. The night was very chilly, means the night was very cold, and there was drizzling also. धीरे धीरे पानी भी गिर रहा था, ठंडी बहुत थी. That why I was discomfort. Soon it was raining quite heavily. बहुत जल्द तेज बारिश होने लग गई. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin, and the cold wind blew the rain across my face. Now my condition became worse. All my clothes were stuck due to the wet, stuck to my body, and the wind was making me more discomfortable. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of clock tower. The clock showed midnight. I felt for the notes. They were dumped from the rain. I come back to the bazaar, take shelter under the clock tower. Clock was showing it was midnight, and all the notes that were tied on my waist were wet with the rain. Anil's money. In the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. But now I had it all. When he feel that note, when he touched that note, the first thing that he come in his mind was, this is Anil's money, not mine. See the feeling. He feel that this is Anil's money. In the morning, it may happen that he would give me 2 or 3 rupees to enjoy the cinema, but now I have all. I couldn't cook his meals, run to bazaar to learn to write whole sentences anymore. उसने कहा आज के बाद तो मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है, ना तो बाजार जाना है, ना खाना बनाना है, ना पढ़ाई करना है. And when that point is stuck in his mind, learn to write whole sentences anymore. I had forgotten about them in excitement of the theft. Whole sentence, I knew, could one day bring me more than few hundred rupees. He said, Anil was giving me the education. He has taught me how to write the words in this 1 month, and have promised me to teach me how to write the whole sentences. If I stay with the Anil, I can learn that how to write the whole sentences. Then he will teach me how to write the paragraphs. He is making me an educated person. And I know that if I know how to write the whole sentences, if I become an educated person, I can earn more money than this, than 600 rupees. I can make more and more money. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. मैं कहा क्या है, पैसे चुराना तो बहुत आसान काम है, उतना ही आसान है पकड़े जाना. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. चोरी करना, पकड़े जाना, चोरी करेंगे ढेर सारा पैसा मिल सकता है, फिर जेल जाना. These are the different things. But becoming a respectable person, समाज में एक अच्छा आदमी बनना, एक बड़ा आदमी बनना, जिसके पास ढेर सारा पैसा भी हो, लोग उसकी इज्जत भी करते हो, दैट इज अ क्वाइट डिफरेंट थिंग्स. चोर के पास कितना भी पैसा हो जाए, लोग उसकी इज्जत नहीं करते. लेकिन एक अच्छा आदमी अगर उसके पास पैसा है तो लोग उसकी बहुत इज्जत करते हैं. ही वॉन्ट दैट रिस्पेक्ट. I should go back to Anil. I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. He said, I don't want to miss this chance. Anil is making me an educated person. Anil is making me a respectable person. I don't want to miss that chance. I have to go back to Anil. I hurried back to room feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway. In clouded moonlight, Anil was still asleep. I go back to his room. Anil was still asleep. Now I was very nervous. Nervous because again I have to do all the things. I have to put that money under that mattress. I crept to head the bed and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of mattress and slipped under it with the notes. I took out the note and somehow reaches to the mattress. सीधे धीरे 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 क्रिप्ट करते हुए हाथ और पैर के बल चलते हुए मैट्रेस के पास पहुंचा. Then I slide my hand under the mattress. चुपके से मैट्रेस के नीचे हाथ डाला with that note. And at that moment I can feel the breath of Anil on my hand. I can feel the breath of Anil. But somehow I managed to put that note at its place. I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. See, the Anil, character of Anil. I awoke late next morning. He was a servant. Hari Singh was the servant. He was sleeping and master, the Anil, was making the tea. See the character of Anil. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was a 50 rupees note between his fingers. My heart sank. I thought I had been discovered. He offered me the tea. And he was having a 50 rupees note between his fingers. ऐसे पकड़ के रखा था. And he is giving that money to me. I made some money yesterday. He explained. Now you will be paid regularly. He said, I had some money. I earned this money yesterday. From today I will give you the payment also. My spirits rose, but when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. जब हरि सिंह ने नोट टच किया, he found that the note was still wet. अभी भी गीला था. Today we will start writing sentences, he said. At the Anil, he said, okay. Today we will start writing sentences. Today I will teach you how to write the sentence. He knew, but either his lips nor his eyes showed anything. Now the question arises here, note was wet. क्या अनिल को पता नहीं चला कि नोट कैसे गीले हुए? क्या उसको थोड़ा सा भी उसके दिमाग में नहीं आया कि नोट गीले कैसे हुए मैट्रेस के अंदर? उसने तो मैट्रेस के अंदर रखे थे, तो नोट गीले कैसे हुए? रात में बारिश हुई थी तो क्या नोट टहलने गए थे? बारिश का एंजॉय करने गए थे नोट? हाउ द नोट बिकम्स वेट? नाउ हरि सिंह वाज थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट. डू द अनिल नो एवरीथिंग? बट he is not showing anything. See here, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. ना तो वो कुछ बोल रहा था ना कुछ सोच रहा था. He was just a simple man. He was teaching him, Hari Singh, how to write the sentences. Now this is the end of your chapter, but the most important thing in this chapter is there are two important points the writer wants to highlight. First one is character of Anil. This is the most important question and the point. Second is importance of education, and the third most important point is change in Hari Singh. These are the three most important points of this chapter. Now these are the most important points from where the CBSE or the teachers are picking the questions for you. First one is the character sketch of Anil. Second is importance of education. And third is change in Hari Singh. Now the question may come, write down the character sketch of Anil Singh. or Anil Singh was having a very sensitive heart. Question may come that what is the importance of education shown in this chapter, or what were the cases that changed the Hari Singh. So, dear students, you have to focus on these 3 points in this chapter: character of Anil, importance of education, and change in Hari Singh. And these are your homework also for today. You have to write all these 3 points from this chapter and send me to my personal WhatsApp number. Okay? And if you have any problem in this chapter, you can ask me in my personal WhatsApp. Thank you and have a nice day.